Good day. This recording is based on the introduction to cascading style sheets, or what you refer to as CSS. I would have gone through and written the different codes for the different sections for the web page that is supposed to be produced. In this case, it is a form. So we have different classes, and the classes that are used is what will be referenced from the cascading style sheets that would be used to give particular formatting to sections in our forms. So here is the code in its entirety. And then I'm not sure how to get rid of this red down here, but anyway, this is the CSS code that speaks to the different classes that was referred to before in the HTML document. So we have main. I have inserted heading left and right for the form labels and fields. So there we have it. Input for the text area, and then we have the submit button, and there's also the section that speaks to what happens when we hover. So let us hop over to the web page itself, and this is what the resulting sheet looks like. Here we can enter our information. This is mine. And the country, have a drop down list that we can choose from. And then all right, so that is it for the form. And when we hover over this, the apply button, then this is what it changes to. There was also a feature that will resize our screen based on the size of the screen. So as my screen gets smaller, my CSS code allows it to be adjusted, and can crawl down, and the hover button works just the same. So that is it for this introductory activity.